guys, what's up? It's Ruby. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a room tour. So I've been meaning to film this video for a while, but I feel like I always kind of put it off because there's always something that I feel like I am still missing in my room. And I'm always like, I'm going to film my room tour like when I get this, or when I get this, or when I finally get my whatever, like light, or when I finally get all my prints done, or when I finally get all my photos printed. But that is just like a never-ending cycle, so I know that I'm always going to be adding stuff to my room or like rearranging it or changing it. So I decided I'm pretty happy with it right now. I love how it looks and how it feels to be in here, such a nice space to be in. So that was the entrance, that was the doorway. We just walk into my room. This is what it looks like from the corner that you walk into, and I love how it looks like this. It's just honestly, the colors and the vibe is just so nice. So this is my bed. So I got it from Facebook Marketplace. It's a double, and it is just a great size for me. Double is great. So I really like the bed frame. It's just white, plain, you know, that's what I'm going for because the rest of my room has a lot of different colors. So I wasn't really like too fussed about the bed frame. I decided to go for some lilac sheets, and I love it. I love the lilac sheets. And yeah, I do have pink, like I've got a pink fitted sheet. And then yeah, the two pillows are lilac, and this is my memory foam pillow that I sleep on. Okay, so here we are at the first windowsill of my room. I've got two windowsills, and yeah, I get pretty good light in here, so I can shoot photos, but I usually shoot outside in the living room. But yeah, so this is the first little corner that we have set up here. So I've got this amazing rainbow vase. I literally found it on a website, but it was out of stock, and then I scoured like the whole internet for it. So this is from the brand, I want to say it's like Do or something. Do, I'm not sure. I'll link everything that I've talked about in the description box. Yeah, so I love this. These are fake flowers that I got for like, I don't know, probably like £2 or something. Then we've got this amazing coaster. So usually I have a iced coffee in the morning. I might have it in my room. So I just use this little coaster, and it's so pretty. This is from a girl on Instagram. She DM'd me. She runs a small business, and she makes like jewelry and coasters. So here we have this amazing candle, and I love like caramelly sweet kind of vanilla candles. So my friend got me this as a present, and honestly it smells so good. So it's vanilla cupcake flavor, and I love how much like this is. It's like huge, so I know it'll last me a long time because usually I'm always like burning candles. So yeah, I love the candle. Then we've got this amazing big vase from, I'm pretty sure I got it from Next. So usually I have real flowers in this vase, but I haven't really been going out to buy real flowers lately, and I've just decided to switch for like fake flowers because, you know, real flowers are a lot to deal with. They die. These ones don't die. They don't give up on me, so that's great. They've still got the tag on it. I don't know, I literally always leave tags on things for so long. So this was a single sunflower for 99p. What a bargain. And then we've got this corner over here. So I've just put a little plant in here. This is honestly an unkillable plant. This is the one that I always forget to water because it doesn't really show any signs of dying. So usually I've watered my plants when they start to droop or when they start to like die essentially, but this one doesn't show any signs of dying. So I think I need to like water it though, like the soil looks a bit dry. But yeah, so this is my plant. I got a little pot from H&M Home, and then I've got my little bag from ASOS here because I don't know, I wanted to add a little touch of pink to this corner. I feel like we've got lots of different colors over here, so yeah, I just wanted to add it as a little nice touch. Then moving on, let's go to the mirror. So this is my mirror. It's a huge one from IKEA. It's basically like the biggest one I could find for a good price, and it's about literally like 2 meters tall. So I'm 5'1", so you know there's heaps of room for you to get like a full body shot basically. Yeah, so I recommend this mirror a lot on my Instagram and stuff. So I think it's a really good one if you are looking for a proper full length, really big mirror. And I've got it in this corner because it's the best light because of the window here. And yeah, I just feel like it kind of helps to make the room feel a bit bigger. And yeah, sometimes I will move the mirror onto this side, like lean it against my bed, and then shoot some photos as well, so that I've got like a plain wall background here. So yeah, now moving on to some prints. So all of my prints are from Desenio, and I got them a while ago, but I got these ones. Yeah, this one I got when I first moved to London. This one I got this time, and then I've got some more over over here, which I'll talk about in a bit as well. So yeah, love these prints. This print is just great. I love it. I love to include this in the background of some of my photos, and I love the color scheme of this. I feel like it goes really nicely with my rack over here. So we've got my rack of all of my knits and jumpers, and you know, all the colors of the rainbow. I've got it a little bit color coordinated. So let's start over here. So we've got some of my fave bags that I just like to, you know, hang over here. So this one is from Miette, this one is from Hevisk, and this one is Carey. So this one is vintage from Shopsuki. Cloud one is from ASOS. This one's from Revolve, Princess Polly, Ragged Priest, Unique Clothing, H&M, Fortunate One Store, Princess Polly, Fortunate One, Revolve, Princess Polly, Taka Original, H&M, Ragged Priest, Ragged Priest. So yeah, that is my rack. Honestly love it. I just feel like it gives me such good vibes to see all the colors on here. We've got another bag that's from Princess Polly, and some bucket hats. One is from Levi's, the purple one. I can't remember where I got it from. And we've got a little scarf from House of Sunny. So now we have some of my sneakers. This is kind of always changing depending on, let's say, what I'm shooting. All of my other shoes are kept outside in the shoe closet. This plant is honestly my best friend. I love her so much. She just is just so pretty and so beautiful. I love her. Every single plant in my room is from Patch Plants. And yeah, I got this pot from IKEA. Usually I have this pot on top of some shoe boxes, but I've switched it out to this pot. So basically it's a planter pot that I've turned upside down. It's from made.com, but I love the color. I feel like it's a really nice mustardy pale yellow color. I think it goes nicely with the green. And yeah, I don't love this bit because obviously this is not the right side that it's supposed to be on. Like, this is supposed to be the bottom, but I can't really do anything about these bits. Maybe I can cover them with some, I don't know, stickers or something. But yeah, I don't love how that looks, but that's okay. Moving on to this little corner. So, oh my god, just can we just appreciate this for a minute? Let's bring it over here to the light. So it's from made.com, and it's a dumplings print. Like, come on. So it's got Mandu momos, which by the way are my fave. I love momos, and all these different types of dumplings, gyoza, wonton, and it's just like, it's so random, but I just love it. So I've got this one sitting in the corner right now, but I do want to put it up here next to my palm tree Miami print. So I just need to put a hook up and then it'll go up there. So yeah, dumplings print. So this is a really ugly lamp that came with a flat, and I couldn't really be bothered to pay for a new lamp. So that is just the one that I'm using right now. Then we've got my dumplings print. We've got a little monstera leaf. This is actually quite big. It's a big monstera leaf. It's a fake one. And then we've got the books I'm reading currently. This one is great. It makes me laugh so much. I've got Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton, The Flat Share, Conversations with Friends, The Rosie Project. Those are the ones I'm reading right now. Okay, so moving on to this wall that we have here. So basically I put these like pastel colored papers up, and I made a little bit of background to shoot a photo of my sneakers. But I don't think I really like this because it just looks a bit random as like a section in my room. So what I want to do with this wall is put some Polaroids up of pictures of me and my friends, my hubby and my family and stuff like that. So I want to put some Polaroids, just cover this area with Polaroids. I think it'll look really nice. So yeah, let's do a little transition, because that was one of the things I was waiting for to do this video. I was waiting to get my Polaroids and like photos printed before I filmed this video, but I'm gonna do that in a couple of days anyway. And then, so let's just do a transition of me having switched it. And so here we have this side of my room, which is, you know, considerably more ugly. So we've got this closet wardrobe thing which came with the flat, and I can really do nothing about. So this is my closet. So I've got some dresses in here, some blazers and jackets. This is where I keep my sneaker paints. Then we've got some Depop stuff that I'm selling, in the process of selling, my iron, some bags. Then usually, like, this looks so messy right now, but usually all I have is like heels in there, and then, but this is stuff that I needed to shoot. Then we've got some makeup in this area, and then we've got some jumpers and stuff up here. Then we've got my set of drawers. So the top drawer is skirts and pants, colourful pants and stuff. Then we've got all my tops. I recently reorganized this because it was so messy, so I'm pleased with it now. So we've got it all color coordinated. We've got the blue, orange, pink, green, purple. We love that. So now we have my little like dressing table kind of area. So we've got this print. It is from Desenio. Got my glasses, my prescription glasses, blue light from Jimmy Fairley. I love these. And then we've got all my sunnies that I keep handy. So this one and this one are from Key. Well, these three are from Indie Sunglasses. This one is from ASOS and this one's from Attica London. So yeah, moving on to this little thingy that we have. This is from H&M. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do about my jewelry storage. I have not figured out that yet, but for now this is fine. This is keeping me, you know, keeping things organized for now. So this is another coaster that I have. We got two of the same ones. Then we've got this vase in the corner. It's so small and light. I love this one. I love the color. So, and it was pretty cheap, so I will link it below with everything else. So we got some fake flowers, some purple roses, some lilies. These lilies, don't know, but yeah, we've got this little cute corner. And then we have, so this is just the palette that I was using for my eyes, and it's such a nice palette that, you know, look at this. Like, I always go on about this palette, but honestly it is so good. So yeah, that's my palette. And then in this corner we have my bags. So I decided to store all my bags in this hay crate, and I feel like it's really good for like storage and stuff. These crates are amazing. You store them in my closet for storing my sneaker paints. I also store some makeup in these as well. So yeah, these are all my bags. So I got the same vase as the pink one, but in lilac. I've got this candle from FYG. It is English pear and vanilla. And then I've got my speaker, which is the UE Boom 3. I've had this one for a while. And we've got this amazing bag, which I thought looked really nice in this corner as well. It's from Melissa. Okay, and here we have my prints. These are from Desenio, as are the other ones over here. So all my prints are from Desenio. I wanted to get like a couple of different sizes, so I got these two in the same size and then this one as a smaller one. And I feel like it looks really nice, and like it doesn't look too, like, you know, uniform, which I wanted. I just wanted it to look a little bit like one's further up and one's to the side, like that kind of thing. I feel like it looks really nice. But anyway, that is my room. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will leave everything that I talked about linked in the description box below, and you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Depop, and Pinterest, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!